Another Proverbs of Nirmala Kavita Sagaram written by M.E.N.S. Lakshmi. Now fifth. Oh, బాబోయ్ ఏంటి అలా fifth proverb is to recognize physical beauty woman, handsome men. Only our eyes helps. But heart, soul, beauty, handsome, good character to recognize is more knowledge and patience, merit and intellectual property is essential to recognize others' mind, thoughts, actions. This is a psychology analysis. Sixth point, fox is bad in animals among fox cunning to compare cunning fox with a bad character habits, jealousy, sadist persons are dangerous among cunning people, good people. Next, seventh, flowers are scarcity to pray God. Smiles are scarcity and burden to cunning mind people. No smiling. Because why? Their mind is always what bad we can do others, what bad words we can do others, what criticize we can others demerits and weaknesses. Only they concentrate that. Eighth point. In life, emotional thoughts gets fails and insults, but I can win as respected VIP person living in society through my studies and continuous hard work. A industrious person, self-made person. This book writer M.E.N.S. Lakshmi. Next, ninth, anger. Good persons anger like little time, like burn on palm leaf. Bad people anger like Ravanasura custom. It burns more time, loss of mind peace to good people and do bad to good people. Next, bad and good continuously comes. Experiences helps our mind, actions and words. Before past experiences, present we can live. Changed behavior. No one can change. 10th point, address. To call address single, nuvu, can represent respect and disrespect also. We can win conversation assert to other people. Mind respect or loss. Our respect to negligent proud words and actions. Good words can know by price. Although more people cannot give good words to cure others' burdens and worries. Only selfish and individual selfish, not group people. Generation gap is going artificial world. No natural happy atmosphere. Present we can say mindset, words, thoughts, difference between our parents, grandparents time situations. Present all are errand well. Money is not responsible to say good words or bad words. Money is only we can use our necessities but not influence our mind and soul thoughts, an individual respectable person. Thanks.